Today we're going to demonstrate how to patch our new line of carbon tents made with Dyneema composite fabric. While the carbon tents are incredibly lightweight and made from fabric with a high tensile strength, they can be punctured if they come into contact with any sharp objects. If you find a puncture or rip in your carbon tent, we've included adhesive patches so that you can repair it in the field and continue your trip with a completely sealed tent. Your first step is to clean the area you plan to patch with either rubbing alcohol or soap and water. Make sure you dry the material completely before applying the patch, and select a nice flat and clean working surface. Cut out a section of the patch that will completely cover the tear with at least 1/4 inch of overlap on all sides. Round the edges of the patch. Corners will peel up easier than a nice rounded edge. Peel off the backing of the patch and center it over the tear. Make sure to press the patch well to help the glue adhere to the tent. If there is material missing, like a hole more than a rip or a small puncture, you may want to patch both sides to prevent the adhesive from sticking to your tent when you roll it up. With careful site selection and patches on hand, your carbon tent will be your favorite trail companion for years to come.